Today we are going to start chapter 8. Let's see how much water is there in the reservoir. Here we are going to do problem sums using fractions. Okay, so first going to subtraction. We have already done the addition part here, addition of fractions. Next we were going to do that subtraction of two fractions. Okay, now here we are taking two examples like 2 by 7 minus 3 by 5. Okay, now we have to subtract them. So to subtract them, what we have done earlier, that we have to find the LCM of these two numbers 7 and 5. As 7 and 5 are co-prime number, so the LCM of 7 and 5, that will be 35. Okay, so here we will write 35 here. So the next process is, whatever this number is, first we have to divide this number by this denominator. So 35 by 7, and whatever is in the numerator will be multiplied with this. Next, 35 divided by 5 and 3 will be multiplied. So what we get, 5 into 2 minus 7 into 3 divided by 35. So 10 minus 21 by 35. You have not done this kind of sum because the answer will be like this. 21 minus 10, that is 11. As 21 is bigger number, so this will be minus 11 by 35. Okay, so you have not done this kind of sums because you don't know how to subtract a smaller number and a greater number. So just forget about the question, means answer, sorry, forget about the answer. Just learn the process what you have to do. Okay, you will not get this kind of sums. So giving a example which will be suitable for you. Taking an example, suppose 13 by 18 minus 5 by 27. Okay, this I have taken from your book, page number 99. What we have to do, we have to find the LCM of 18 and 27. So taking this, we can do it by 3. So we will get 6 and 9. Again 3, we will get 2 and 3. Okay, now as this is LCM, we have to take these two numbers also. 3 3 is 9, 9 to 18, to 18 3s are 54. Okay, so here we will write 54. Next, so what is the process? We have to divide this 54 by 18 and then multiply it with 13. Then same thing will be happen and multiply with 5. So 54 divided by 18 we get 3 into 13, and 54 divided by 27 we get 2. So we get 39 minus 10 by 54, and that is 29 by 54. See this sum, you can do this sum because here this number is greater and this one is smaller. So you can do this subtraction, you know how to do this subtraction. Now here the most important thing in this chapter is the problem sum that we have to do. Okay, now going to the problem sum, there are 3 problem sum, 3, 4 and 5 that we need to do. So here we are taking one sum, the first one, that is number 3. Siraj has planted saplings in 6 by 17 parts of the garden. Monica has planted sapling in 3 by 34 parts of the garden. Who has planted sapling in the larger area, and how large is the larger area from the smaller one? So Monica and Siraj both have planted some trees. Siraj has planted in 6 by 17 parts. Okay, and Monica has planted in 3 by 34 parts. Now what we have to do, we have to find that which one is the larger number, means which fraction is the larger one. So the fraction which will be larger, that will the area of that that area will be the larger. Okay, that will be the largest among two. So we have to find the which fraction is largest and how much it is larger than the smaller one. Okay, we have to compare the two fractions only. So what we have to do, to compare the fractions, we have to take the denominator. We have to make the denominator same for two fractions. So here the Siraj fraction is 6 by 17. Now we can make it 34 by multiplying 2. That will be 12 by 34. Now this is 3 by 34. Now 34 and 34, both the denominator are same. As we can see that 12 by 34 is greater than 3 by 34. That is 6 by 17 is greater than 3 by 34. So Siraj has planted trees in larger area. So this is the largest fraction and this is the smaller one. This is the smallest. Okay. Now we have to find the difference between them. So as this is greater than this, that is, so the answer will be, that is Siraj has planted saplings in a larger area. So how much it is larger than this one? So what we have to do, we have to find the difference between these two numbers. Difference means we have to subtract them. So we get 6 by 17 minus 3 by 34. Okay, now to subtract them, what we have to do, that is we have to find the LCM of 17 and 34. So here finding the LCM of 17 and 34, that is 17 and 34, what we get, that is 17, 1 and 2, that is 34. Okay, so this will be 34. We are going to rubbing this one, erasing this one, and we will write this portion here. Hope you understand this portion. So I am rubbing this one, erasing this. Okay, so we get 6 by 17 minus 3 by 34 and the LCM is 34. So 34 divided by 17 into 6. The first one will be this. The next one will be 34 divided by 34 into 3. Okay, now 34 divided by 17 is 2, 2 into 6, and this will be 1 into 3 by 34. Now this will be 12 minus 3 by 34. Now 12 minus 3 is 9 by 34. So the Siraj has planted sapling in a larger area, and by how much it is larger? It is larger by 9 by 34 parts. Okay, so this was the first answer, and Siraj has planted in larger area by 9 by 34 parts from Monica. Okay. Next, going to the another sum which is also given in your book, that is in page number 102. The sum is not done, so I am going to do this. First, I will tell you one thing, that whenever we will do sums using these fractions, we will take the 1 as a whole number. Means one, when we will take that the total work or total thing will be taken as 1. Okay, and we will calculate the fractions using this this condition, that the whole portion or whole work or whole thing will be 1. Okay, so taking this sum, that is the repairing of road has started in in Hitampur village. On the first day 1/4 parts, on the second day 1/2 parts, and on the third day 4/7 parts were repaired. How many parts were repaired in the 3 days? So first day we have repaired 1/4, second day 1/2, and third day 1/4. That is already repaired. So we have to find the total parts that has been repaired in these 3 days. That is, total means we have to find the sum of these fractions. Okay, now the next question is how many parts are yet to be worked on, means how many parts are left. Now how many parts are to be repaired. So first we will write in 3 days total parts of road repaired is, what we have to done, we have to add them. Okay, we will add these 3 fractions. Now as we can see, this is 4, 2 and 7 in the denominator. We have to find the LCM of 4, 2 and 7. 2, so this will be 4 into 7, that is 28. So writing 28 here, dividing 28 by 4, we get 7. 7 into 1, 7. Dividing 28 by 2, we get 14. 14 into 1, it is 14. Dividing 28 by 7, we get 4. 4 into 4, that will be 16. We are doing this in the next line. So we get this. So let us find. This is 16 plus 1, 16 plus 10, that is 26, 27, 28, 29. I think the sum is given wrong, because here we will get improper fraction 37 by 28. We will get an improper fraction here, I think, which is wrong, which cannot be done. Okay, so what we are doing, that we are taking this as 1 by 7 parts, so that I think this sum will be right. So this will be 4, this will be 4, and we will get, we are taking this as 1 by 7, because if we write this 4 by 7, the fraction will be improper, and which will be not true. Okay, which cannot be done. So this will be 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 7, so this will be 25 by 28. Acha, now see what we have to do here. This has already been done. Okay, this parts of road has been repaired already. So what we have to take? We have to take the whole amount of work. So whole work we are taking as 1. Let whole work is 1. So the portion remaining, or the portion which is left, the portion left is 1 minus of this. This has been already done, and this is the total number of work we have to do, that is the 1. So the left, so the portion, that is the parts of road that has not been repaired yet, and that will be 1 minus 25 by 28. So this will be 28 minus 25, or this will be 3 by 28. So this is my answer. This is the answer of the second part, and this is the answer of the first part. Okay, the first part is how many parts were repaired in the 3 days. This is the answer. And how many parts are yet to be worked on, that 3 by 28 parts are yet to be worked on. This will be my answer. Okay, and we have changed this fraction, because if we do not change, then this fraction will be an improper fraction, and we cannot subtract an improper fraction from 1. Okay, now doing number 4, which is in 103 number page, we have colored 2 by 13 parts of a bamboo red, 1/3 of its green, and 8 by 39 parts yellow. How many parts are yet to be colored? So here the direct question is not that how many parts are already colored. They did not ask about that, so we have to find that only. First we have to find that total parts which is colored. Then we will take the whole part of the bamboo as 1, that is whole bamboo is 1. So the amount, or the part which are yet to be colored, that will be 1 minus the sum of the 3 fractions. Okay, so we can write that the total parts colored, that is 2 by 13 plus 2 by 13 plus 1 by 3 plus 8 by 39. 8 by 39. Now we are taking this LCM of this 13, 3 and 39. So we can only do this. 13 3s are 39, so 3 1 1 1, 13 3s are 39, so the LCM will be 39. Now dividing 39 by 13, we get 3 into 2 6. Dividing 3 divided by 39, we get 13. Dividing with 39 by 39, we get 1 into 8 8. So here we get 13 plus 8 plus 6, so 27 by 39. Now we can divide it by 3, like we can divide it by 3, 9, this will be 9 and this will be 13. So 9 by 13, that is the total part that has been colored already. Now we will take whole as 1. Now let whole part of bamboo, that is 1. So the parts are yet to be colored, so the parts yet to be colored, that will be 1 minus 9 by 13, that is 13 will be the LCM, and 13 minus 9, that is 4 by 13. These parts are yet to be colored. Okay, this part has not been colored, and this part has already been colored. This is the sum of the 3 colors or 3 parts, and we have taken the whole as 1, and we have to find the parts which is yet to be colored, that is 4 by 13. Okay, so we have done till number 4, page 103. Your homework will be this. Your homework will be page number 99. Page 99, you will do sum 4 and 5. Sum 4 and 5 from page number 99, and you will also do number 2. Number 2, which is given subtraction. Here you will do E and B. Number 2, E and B. Number 4, number 5, that is from page number 99. And another sum you will do from page 103. I will tell you the answer in the next video. So here you will do number 3 and number 5. Okay, this will be your homework. You have to do this. You don't need to send the copies. I will tell you the answer and discuss about the answer in my previous video. Sorry, next video. Okay.